My name is Bill Parra. I'm Chief Operating Officer for the CDC Foundation in Atlanta, Georgia. In the last 7 years, the greatest achievement has been the Framework Convention for Tobacco Control. I think it's created a tremendous opportunity to concentrate on the various efforts that have to be conducted by the various components of tobacco control. In the last 5 years, I think the greatest contribution has been the establishment of the Empower measures, which have been used by countries to focus their efforts in tobacco control. I think Bloomberg is providing us with an opportunity to focus on those issues, the Empower issues, in 15 priority countries, and particularly the establishment of the Global Adult Tobacco Survey is an excellent method for the monitoring of the goal, or the use of the gold standard in monitoring progress in tobacco control. Tobacco control is facing a lot of legal challenges in some very developed countries. I think that these countries are facing an amazing amount of roadblocks from the tobacco industry. How they ultimately deal with these will be essentially a role model for other countries, and how other countries will ultimately address this problem when they face it, if they face it. And so I think we're looking forward to convincing ministers of finance, just as we've worked with ministers of health, that taxing tobacco is the single most way of reducing use of tobacco by young people and by poor people. Tobacco is a very important issue. I don't think there's anybody who doesn't have a family member who's been affected by tobacco use. So I think all of us feel a responsibility to respond to this call and try to do something to reduce tobacco use around the world.